Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Porter. Today I want to talk to you about something that could truly change how you see the world and yourself. Taking an art class. Now you might be thinking, art, isn't that for people who can draw? Not at all. Art is for everyone, and here's why it's worth your time.
First, art is a fundamental part of being human. It's how we've communicated throughout history, from cave paintings to the latest digital designs.
Art class connects you to that rich tradition, allowing you to express who you are.
But art is also about building skills. Through various media, including drawing, painting, sculpting, or printmaking, you will develop focus, patience, and technical abilities. Even if you don't see yourself as artistic, every class builds confidence. You'll surprise yourself with what you've created when you apply what you have learned. Art isn't just about being creative, it's about learning to think critically. In art class, you learn to approach problems from different angles, ask questions, and find unique solutions. These skills don't stay in the classroom. They help you in science, math, and even life decisions. The skills you learn in art are transferable. Critical thinking, creativity, communication, product management, these are all workplace skills. And one of my favorite things about art class, it builds community. You're not just working alone, you're collaborating, sharing ideas, and supporting each other. Art brings people together in a way that is inspiring and fun.
So why take an art class? It's about more than just making art. It's about discovering your potential, growing as a person, and finding your voice in a creative, supportive environment.
Art 1 and Art 2 serve as the foundation and intermediate levels. Projects in these initial courses emphasize drawing and painting from both observation and imagination. You will learn how to draw what you see from direct observation as well as how to paint using both watercolor and acrylic media. All the major genres will be studied, including portrait, still life, abstract, and landscape genres. To be able to make what you want to see from imagination, you will learn many skills and techniques to help you improve. These include how to use gesture drawing, how to work general to specific, how to use sighting, measuring, and mapping methods, and how to mix and match color too. Later courses are intended for more open-ended projects and are based more on a fun concept or theme. Advanced Art Honors and Independent Art Portfolio allow students to pursue personal goals and interests with any media, even 3D. The capstone courses offered are AP Art 2D Design and new for next year, AP Drawing. Both of these college-level courses focus on helping students develop a successful portfolio rooted in individual interests through independently sustained investigation and inquiry. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn more, please come stop by my room 506, if you have any questions or concerns. I look forward to seeing you in your art class next year.
Art class is an experience you'll carry with you no matter what path you take. So what do you say? Ready to explore your creative side?